Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned how to add subscripts and superscripts in HTML. Today we are going to learn how to highlight text and how to quote text in HTML. So let's open Sublime Text and let's remove what we have done yesterday. And now let's learn how to highlight text and how to quote text in HTML. So let's open this file in browser and let's minimize this and go back to Sublime Text. Now for highlighting text we have to use the mark tag. So let me write the mark tag and then the text which is to be highlighted should be written between both the mark tags. So let me write Venky's channel. Now let me save my changes and then refresh the browser. You can see that this text is highlighted. So let's copy this and paste this again in the next line with the BR tag. Let me add a BR tag and then in the next line let me paste Venky's channel simply. Now let me save my changes and refresh the browser. You can see that the first line is highlighted. Now let's remove all this and let's learn how to quote text in HTML. If we quote text normally like this by opening double quotes and write the quoted text inside, text will be visible like this. Now let's discuss the difference between this double quoting and quoting from HTML. So let's learn how to do quoting in HTML. For writing a quote in HTML, we use the Q tag. So let me open the Q tag and then between opening Q tag and closing Q tag, we have to write the text which is to be highlighted. So let me write Venky's channel and then refresh the browser. Let me add a BR tag for a line change. And let's save our changes and refresh the browser. You can see the difference between both the quotes. This is normal double quotes which we add in text and these quotes are a bit more stylish. Friends, hope you have understood how to highlight text and how to quote text using HTML. Bye friends.